Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean data table so PowerPoint reads it correctly. This avoids errors later. Once your table has headers and numeric columns, go to Insert and pick Chart or paste a selected Excel range to link updates. Pick a chart type that matches the story. Use bar for comparisons, line for trends, because the right default reduces rework. Make sure column names are concise. PowerPoint uses them as labels. Now you have a basic chart to refine. Once the chart is inserted, customize the type and axes so the message is clear. Change to a combo chart and add a secondary axis when scales differ, or tweak the axis minimum/maximum to avoid misleading gaps. Then format numbers to show %, dollar, or precise decimals, and enable data labels selectively so the viewer sees key values without clutter. Finally, pick contrasting colors and refine markers or trend lines. These visual decisions guide attention and reveal patterns more quickly. You finish by polishing layout and export options so the chart communicates and survives sharing. Add a short title, source, and subtitle, align the frame, and decide whether to embed or link the data based on update needs. Save a chart template if you'll reuse styles, and export as an image or PDF for consistent distribution. If the chart doesn't update or shows blank values, check the data range, confirm the linked workbook path, and ensure there are no hidden rows or filters. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.